Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. So today I'm here with not one, not two, but a whopping 8 Kroger Clicklist freebies this week. Like, this is insane. Now, one of them does require a $50 purchase, but most of them don't. There's just no purchase necessary. So if you've never used Clicklist, I believe the first 3 times you get it for free. You get it for free. So, yeah, you can just go through your first time, get these for free. Don't even pay the $5 fee because they waive it for your first 3 times. And you can walk in and get these things for free, except for the $50 purchase thing. That one is different. But there are just some no purchase necessary freebies. So if you don't understand Clicklist, I've never done it personally, but I know so many of you have asked about it. Like, so many of you you're all about Clicklist. So yeah, if you want to see videos talking more about Clicklist deals, let me know that in the comments if Clicklist is like your thing and you'd love to see more on that. Because I would consider doing more videos on it. I know many of us don't want to spend the extra $5 to do it, but it kind of depends on what you want. Because you can get some really good deals with Clicklist with some of these special digital coupons that they offer. So yeah, these are all digital coupons that you can load to your card. So you don't have to hand them any coupons or anything. You just, you go there and they just deduct off. You'll owe nothing as long as you meet the purchase requirements or whatever. So yeah, really, really great. I'm just going to dive right in. I did do a separate video all about Clicklist. If you click the little eye in the top right corner, it will take you to that. Because if you haven't done Clicklist before, it's probably a good idea to check out that video. So yeah, let's just dive right in. I do want to mention, it is extremely important that you make sure that you do not allow substitutions. Because if you allow substitutions, they're going to give you something that the digital coupon doesn't work on. Clicklist is good about that, about substituting stuff. Like, let's say they're out of maple Cheerios, they'll go give you regular Cheerios. But I don't think the digital coupon specifically says maple Cheerios, so it wouldn't most likely come off. So do not allow substitutions or you'll wind up paying for stuff. So here, though, you can get a free box of the maple Cheerios with a Clicklist purchase. It doesn't say free with a $50 purchase, free with a $20 purchase. It just says free with a purchase. Now, I'm not 100% sure if it come off without anything else in the transaction. What I would do, just to be on the safe side, grab a little packet of Kool-Aid or something for 25 cents. You don't ever really see that on sale. You might as well just grab it for 25 cents if you use it. And then just pick up the rest of these freebies and you'll walk out paying $0.25 for everything. So here is receive a free Progresso soup with any Clicklist purchase. So there you go. Get a free can of Progresso soup. That is awesome. Here we have a free Betty Crocker mug treats with any Clicklist purchase. Awesome. And all I do is specify, you don't have to buy, like I said, buy a thing of Kool-Aid with the cereal. You don't even have to buy, just get one Kool-Aid for the whole transaction, and these should all come off. So, really good. You don't need to keep buying, like it says with a purchase, you don't have to keep buying more items for each free digital coupon. I hope that makes sense. Just one item should be more than enough. I have never heard of this, but with this Clicklist, with any Clicklist purchase, you get a free Oh Dang Hummus Dressing. Never seen that in my life, but there you go. You can get it for free with Clicklist this week. Oh, and these all run, I believe they all run until November the 10th. Most of them run until November the 10th, except for the taco offer, which we're about to get to. This one is definitely awesome because we never see deals on liquid plumber and drain cleaning stuff. We just never do. So here is a free instant power hair clog remover with Clicklist purchase. Awesome, epic freebie there. So this is a good deal if you're doing the Clicklist a big transaction with them anyways. I know many of you have been getting coupons for 20 off of 50. I have that too. I'm a little confused if it works after coupons, and it's only for first-time customers, so not everyone's going to have that, but some of you might. I'm not sure if this $50 thing is figured out after that 20 off 50, if it has to be $50 after the coupon or not. or if you can get it down to $30 and this coupon still work. But I'm not sure on that. I do apologize. But if you're spending $50 with Clicklist, and many of you do this all the time, definitely grab this one. This is a free taco bundle. You are going to get 1 free Old El Paso taco seasoning, 1 free Old El Paso taco shells, and 1 free Tillamook cheese. And that stuff's really expensive, but that's really good cheese. So anyways, you would get that for all that for totally free. So the first, every other free thing I've showed you just would need a little 25-cent filler. This needs a $50 purchase. So I wouldn't do that if you're not getting $50 worth of groceries anyways. But if you are doing major grocery shopping on this mega event right now, because you can still use coupons and everything with Clicklist. Same thing as going in the store. You're going to give your coupons to the clerk out there and they'll go scan them. If you're doing a major transaction, then you can just go for this and definitely get this. That is great. A really great deal on these items. So I hope this all makes sense. If you use Clicklist and want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments below. Maybe we'll try to do this once a week. Now, there's not always a bunch of free coupons like this. I'm not really sure why Kroger did this. Too bad Kroger won't give us these kind of coupons for those who faithfully shop in the store. But yeah, this all you Clicklist people are definitely being rewarded for using Clicklist by getting all these awesome freebie coupons. So yeah, and if you, like I said, if you haven't done Clicklist before, you'll get the fee waived. So you can just go get all these free items and a little packet of Kool-Aid and pay nothing. So yeah, that is awesome. So this is all I have for now. I hope this makes sense. Be sure to come back on Wednesday for even more Kroger deals. And yeah, thank you so much for watching.